Hello sa inyo dito sa aming channel. Thank you. Very California 1990s.
Hindi po ako naligo, girl.
Ang saya, diba? Ikaw talaga pinagod mo naman masyado.
Ano yung pagpapaganda?
What's good? What's good?
Bacon. We just had a full plate of bacon. And then we pretended na
Healthy. Good morning, everyone. My hair is still wet, so I decided to just put it up muna before I blow dry it later. But this is for breakfast. I'll show you. It's a lot, but I have bagel with cream cheese and smoked salmon, some sausage, eggs, potatoes, and bacon, and one little pancake. We'll see if I want more. Kasi dati, I'd always get so much and I won't finish it. So, ito na lang muna. So, I'm back with my Lawson sisters. Everyone! Hi! Ayan, vlogging. Good morning! Salamat! She! Best! Everyone's vlog.
No makeup.
Oo nga, we're gonna have on our face.
No makeup.
No makeup. So, ayun nga, we're going somewhere.
It is. It's
Clinic. The clinic of the West. Yeah, so may gagawin siya face namin. That's why either no makeup or no makeup. Gano'n lang kami.
Makeup yung maganda naman. Cali girl.
Sonny's Cafe yung outfit ko today. Di ba ganda yung shirt? Sonny's Cafe. Nakakatawa lang. Tanggalin ko na ba to?
Wow!
Kaya lang.
Maganda. I hate that.
Ipit yung bilbil ng ano ko.
We're singing along to
So ngayon, nandito na tayo sa office. Everyone say anyong. Anyong! Ano pinaglalaban mo?
Kilay, baby girl.
Oh, tignan mo ko kasi sabi mo kasi
Hindi halata, bes.
parang tumataas siya. Na mali, no? Sabi mo sa hardinera tabasin, ang tinabas yung kilay mo.
Wait lang. Parang bet ko to.
Alin?
Yan.
Bleep.
As Koreans, can you already tell which is done and which is not? Like done.
Oh yeah, I can.
You can tell? No?
I can. Depending on the nose shape.
Because what if sometimes maybe they just have like nice noses? No? Like you can just say that, oh, maybe they just have nice noses. No, it's like
I've seen so many. I know which one is fake.
oh, okay.
Yeah.
But it's like it's not a big deal here, you know?
Yeah.
I mean, it shouldn't be because it's
Yeah.
their choice.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm like, okay.
And it makes them happy, not hurting anybody else, you know?
No, I mean, I've done mine. Everybody knows that. So I'm just like, you do you.
Yeah, exactly.
Just do it for yourself.
Yeah, like for the right reasons and whatever, right? True. I'm getting consultation.
티나는 피부가 굉장히 좋으시네.
Your skin is very nice.
Oh, thank you.
모공이 작은 스타일이라.
Your pores are really tiny.
Yeah, I don't have few blackheads. They're very small.
약간 블랙헤드가 있다고.
네.
Lost.
이런 스타일은 사춘기 때도 여드름 안 났을 거야.
I said that he assumed you didn't have any acne when you were teenager.
그죠?
Just one.
One?
And 2 days gone.
Really?
거의 좀 건성 피부라고 얘기할 수 있는 약간 드라이 스킨이거든요.
You're a bit dry skin.
Here, yeah.
그래서
Then oily
사실은
here.
이런 피부들은 그 너무 보습제를 잘 안 바르고 이러면
네.
자외선 차단제 이런 것도 잘 챙겨 발라야지. 안 바르면 그 잡티라든지 김이라든지 주름이나 잔주름 이런 거는 빨리 생길 수 있다고. 그래서 보습제를 잘 쓰셔야 되고 그 다음에 자외선 차단제도 잘 챙겨 바르셔야 돼요.
Your skin may look nice now, but if you don't put a lot of creams, moisturizing creams, and if you don't put sunblock, your skin's gonna like age like way older than your age in the future.
I'm starting to have wrinkles here.
So
아직은 뭐 링클 생길 나이는 아닌데.
you're too young for the wrinkles now, but you have to prevent it.
So now guys, pinalinis nila yung face ko with a Lawson cleanser and it feels really good actually. So since I don't have much to do for my face, they're just going to remove some of the blackheads that I have. Yeah, and that's my skin. My pores are really tiny, so that's really nothing. But I dry here, and then oily here. So they're going to moisturize a lot of my skin today and the blackheads. Yun lang, which is boring, pero what can we do, diba?
아니 스킨도 하고 쿨링 먼저 하고 쿨링 먼저 하신대요. 근데 soothing and calming gel. Cool. Are you okay?
네.
네.
So tinanggal niya yung gel and then now it's toner. Okay, Joan's going to translate.
Oh yeah, so right now she's getting her blackheads melted. Yeah. And it's going to take 10 minutes, I think. Yeah, I'm not very good at Korean and they're like, can you please translate?
Thank you. She's been a lifesaver since yesterday.
Oh, of course, I'll try my best.
That's why it feels so cool, because they're melting my blackheads. Great. 15 minutes na akong di pinasalita. I couldn't talk. Can I see the mask?
마스크 이거 뭐냐고?
The one you...
아 이거 콜라겐 마스크팩.
What?
콜라겐.
Pull again?
콜라겐.
Again? Another one?
콜라겐.
That's me! That's my face. Okay. Ito, diba? Vlog pa more. Ay, hindi. Live pala to. Hi!
Si Ate Tina.
Si Aisha na nanay.
Daw, sabi ni Ate.
Thank you. There's more to come. There's more to come, guys. Sino to? Ano si Aisha?
Ewan ko dun.
Ito naman. Hi, baby girl. Diba lahat nagvo-vlog? Kanina naririnig ko siya habang hindi ako makapagsalita kasi parang gusto kong magsalita pero I can't. Ayan. Tapos ka na.
Tapos na.
Nagpa-BB cream ka?
Oo, ikaw.
Takot ako sa BB cream eh. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. I'll get used to it. But yeah, so this is my skin now. Super moisturized. I feel so good. It's not all the time that I get kasi my facials done because I don't really have to get my facials done. And I feel like sometimes...
Maganda rin kutis niya ni Tina.
Hindi kasi alam mo, one thing about yung sa feeling ko may nagawa siya sa skin ko. Kasi diba dahil hindi nga siya problematic, parang pag nagpapa-facial ako, parang wala lang. So, ngayon talaga lambot ng skin ko lalo.
Love it.
By the way, alam mo kasi since di kami madalas nagsasama ni Ma'am si Ira, Ma'am si talaga ni Ira, tulad ni Aisha, akala niya paus talaga boses ko.
Oo, akala ko ganyan talaga si Tina.
Hindi. Wala lang. Oo nga, kaya dapat i-take advantage natin yung raspy.
diba?
And so, kanina, ito yung ginawa sa akin, but I didn't get to vlog it because I was quiet. Yeah, like dati na mo, patatahimik na. See, kasi some funny, pumasok kasi sa ilong ko talaga, nag-panic mode ako. Nag-alaronan ako doon sa peanut butter challenge nila. Pumasok sa ilong, kala ko talaga mamamatay na ako. Alam mo yan, manahimik ka dyan muna, Beshi. May makeup sila.
Maganda ka na, girl.
Hindi. Sa picture ako lang yung mukhang
Ako pa, ma.
Oo. Yung ko. Ito talaga yung problema ko. Parang masaya na ako sa lahat, pero yung eye bags ko talaga.
Grabe naman itong concealer na to. Sabi ko sa'yo di ba?
Ano yung brand?
Si Cleo. Kalampot lang nilagay ko. Hindi pa siya blended. So, parang yung coverage. Pero
Pro long wear.
oo. Pero dapat maset siya ng maayos kung wala.
Thank you. Bye. Thank you.
Bye!
This is Gangnam. We're in the city, one of the most famous city, if not the most famous cities in Korea. Makati vibe siya ng very light. No? Diba parang, hindi, yung ganyang building, oh. Diba Makati yan eh. Salcedo. To be exact.
lang nasa Korea tayo.
Wala pala. Sige, punta na tayo Ayala, guys. Pero it's very clean. Driving nila, didikit-dikit, pero hindi sila reckless. Yun ang napansin ko. Very hindi sila reckless. This is where we will be eating. I don't know how that reads, but this. Boy, ito na tayo eh. Korean food. Wala naman akong alam na Korean food na kukunin. Smells good though. For lunch, apparently this is wala lang. rice, meat, more meat, and kimchi, pomegranate juice. So, ayun, I don't know. I don't think that's it. We're gonna eat lang tonight. So we're gonna go somewhere pa later.
Cell phone?
Yeah.
We're just using it. May pinapakita ka sa akin. Eh sa amin kanina, di ba? Nakita mo yung phone? Hindi.
Okay guys, so we just finished eating lunch. So ngayon, I think we're just going to change our money, buy contact lens, go back to the hotel, and then get ready for the concert for tonight.
Nag-K-pop makeup ka, girl?
Hindi. Hindi ako marunong ng ganun eh.
Para mag full-blown makeup.
Well, depende sa time.
Okay.
Welcome sa inyo dito sa aming channel. Ay, welcome sa inyong lahat dito sa aming channel. Mag-subscribe para lagi kang notified. Oh! Yes! Matagal na kami na LS sa song nung intro ni ano.
Sobrang ano? Hindi ko alam eh.
I just finished doing my makeup. Sabi ko, simple eyeliner lang ako today. And then look what an accident led me to. Pero kaya relax, we're going to like a SPS show. So, if you like, okay nang naman yung makeup ko. Appropriate naman siya. And then, I'm just going to wear this parang kimono like, what do you call this? Eh, pamatong. So, ayun. And then, my foundation is the, ito, L'Eau Hassel CC cream. I think this is a CC cream. I really like this. Even before I've told everyone na I really like this. I've used it also in a video before. But, sakto kasi I don't have any L'Eau Hassel with me kasi I already assumed that they were gonna give us a lot. So, ayun. Ito, ginamit ko siya today. And also, Aisha, ginamit mo rin, no? Mga K-popper. And then sa lips ko, it's their tint. And ito yung tint na that I don't have on my kit. So I'm happy na it's gonna be there na on the box that they gave us. Rose drop. I don't have the rose drop. I only have like yung parang light orange one. But I super love it. So, ay, yung kilay ko hindi blended. Ano ba ito? Sabihin nila hindi ako totoong makeup artist. Tingnan mo naman, oh, may butas. Kunat yung kilay mo. Wala. Ayaw mag-blend. Pink sugar. Okay. Tignan natin kung matatakpan niya. Ayun lang. Medyo dark pala siya. Ano nangyari? Ito na yung final outfit ko. You don't really see it. It's just casual with this. If you watched my previous video na I did a haul with all my outfits here in Korea, I'll post a link down below na lang. But yeah, that's gonna be my outfit. Siya lang with this hat from Aldo. Hi guys! So we are here now.
Oh, wait, everyone!
I don't know, I'm just following them, but we're here now in the location. It's raining.
Mo, dito yung nung, di ba? Nung na-hire na siya. Hindi ba dito yun?
Nanonood ka rin pala ng Goblin?
Oo, nanonood ako ng Goblin.
Uy, we're going in! We're going in!
Parang mga ano, $35.
Meron na tayo niyan. Art Deco. So ito, parang showtime nila. Ang daming nakapila. Tapos, I don't know if we're gonna get some sort of VIP. Pero, yun na ito yung sinasabi ni Miko na pinipilahan daw talaga to ng mga people around Korea just to watch it. And then they wait for a long time. And medyo nakaka-guilty, but we're just coming in. Sobrang daming tao. Elevator kami going up. Elevator kami going up. Akala ko pa naman mag-stairs kami. 3 flights din yun. Kapagod. Okay, bawal mag-picture. So, eto na yun. We'll be back after the event. So, ayun, natapos na. Hindi man lang kami nakakuha ng proof na noon talaga kami.
Ako na lang, testimony, ano na ako. Witness.
Witness. At least may witness kami na nanonood kami live. Pero, okay naman. They're really good performers. Hindi ko lang talaga sila kilala. Sorry. But apparently, Vex is really big in the Philippines. Feeling ko maraming... sige! Lumabas ka, bakla! Bye! Bye! Sige, panindigan ko yung walkout mo.
Kumain lumingon.
Hindi ka man lang nakaramdam.
Hindi mo yun po. Asan yung mga ano?
Bakit pati yung parking nila napakalinis? Oo, bakit parang lobby?
Oh my gosh, may...
No, promise me, okay? We'll take you out.
Yes, promise.
Bye, Sonny! No exception. Everyone's vlogging. Ang funny. Sabi ko, pag binuksan ko yung door, tatama dito. Sabi ko, dito Pilipinas. Pag tayo, nakaano ng kotse, delikado. Yan, magdi-dinner na kami. Guess where? Burger King. I love it. I'm going to get supreme cheese. So I'm thinking it's gonna be a little different than the ones that we have in the Philippines. So we will review this. Although medyo boring yung in-order ko kasi like I said, takot ako mag-experiment ng new food. So first, last night ko na dito sa Korea and I'm so excited. Tomorrow, mag-shopping ako. And then mag-travel adventures kami ni Aisha going back to the airport. So yeah.